Good morning children. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. I'm your Prerna ma'am. Children, yesterday we have learned SH words. Have you practiced them? Yes. Okay. Let's do a quick recap of SH words. SH words. Ship. Sh-E-P. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Ship is a large boat which is used for traveling on water. Ship को हिंदी में जहाज कहते हैं. इसमें लोगों और सामान को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाया जाता है. Shark. Sh-R-K. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Shark is a big fish. It has very sharp teeth. Shark के दो पावरफुल टेल फिन्स होते हैं जो विंग्स की तरह लगते हैं. शार्क को साइलेंट किलर भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि यह बिना आवाज किए अचानक से अटैक करती है. शेल. श-ए-ल. शेल. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. Shell is a hard protective outer layer created by animals that live in the sea. सी में रहने वाले एनिमल्स अपने आसपास एक हार्ड आउटर लेयर बनाते हैं जिसे शेल कहते हैं. शेल एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. शर्ट. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Shirt is a garment for the upper body made of cotton or a similar fabric. It has collar, sleeves and buttons. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Shoe is an item of footwear to protect and give comfort to the foot. Shoe is mostly made up of leather, foam, rubber and synthetic material. Let's write SH words in the notebook. Today's date is 1/9/19.20. Now we have to write the heading. For writing heading, first we have to leave 2 finger space and write S-H. Now leave 1 finger space and write words W-O-R-D-S. Words. Now we have to draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. First word is ship. Sh-E-P. Ship. First we have to write S. For writing S, first we will make C curve and reverse C curve between blue lines. For H, we have to make a standing line from red line till second blue line, go up till first blue line and come down to second blue line. For I, standing line between 2 blue lines and a dot. For P, standing line from first blue line to red line, go up till first blue line and make a curve till second blue line. S-H-I-P. Ship. Ship is a large boat which is used for traveling on water. Now next word. Next word is shark. Sh-R-K. Shark. First we have to write S. C curve and reverse C curve. Then H. Standing line. Go up. Touch the blue line and come down till second blue line. Then A. C curve. Go up. Make a standing line between blue lines. Then R. Standing line. Go up. Make a slight curve. For K, First we have to make a standing line till second blue line. Then from the middle we have to make a slanting line. Leave some space and make another slanting line which will touch the second blue line. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Shark is a big fish. It has very sharp teeth. Now, next word. Next word is shell. Shell. Sh-E-L. Shell. First we have to make S. C curve, reverse C curve. Then for H, standing line. Go up, make a curve and come to second blue line. For E, slanting line, make a curve and touch the second blue line. For L, standing line. Again for L, standing line from red to second blue line. Shell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. Shell is a hard protective outer layer created by animals that live in the sea. Now next word is shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. First we have to write S. C curve, reverse C curve between blue lines. Then for H, standing line, go up, touch the blue line and come to second blue line. For I, standing line between blue lines, a small dot. For R, standing line between blue lines, go up and make a curve touching first blue line. For T, we have to start little below this red line. We have to go down and make a curve on second blue line. Then a small sleeping line. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Shirt is a garment for the upper body made of cotton or a similar fabric. Now next word is shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. For writing shoe, first we have to make S. C curve and reverse C curve. Then H, standing line, go up, make a curve and come down. Then for O, we have to make a circle between blue lines. Then E, slanting line, go up, make a curve and come down. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Shoe is an item of footwear to protect and give comfort to the foot. Let's revise all the words once again. First word is ship. Sh-E-P. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Next is shark. Sh-R-K. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Then shell. Sh-E-L. Shell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Then shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Children, now you have to write same set of SH words in the remaining columns. Let's do an activity of SH words. Today we will do complete the words activity of SH words. Here we have some pictures of SH words and some incomplete words under these pictures. इस एक्टिविटी में पिक्चर्स के नीचे कुछ इनकम्प्लीट वर्ड्स हैं. We have to identify the pictures and complete the words. First picture is of ship. The spelling of ship is S-H-I-P. Ship. S is already here. So which letter will come next? Yes, it's H. S, H, I. Now what will come next? Yes, it's P. S, H, I, P. Ship. Now next picture. Next picture is of shark. The spelling of shark is S-H-A-R-K. Shark. So where is S? Oh, it's not here. So let's place the S here. S-H-A. Now which letter is missing? Yes, it's R. Now S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Next picture is of shell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. S is already here. Now which letter will come next? Yes, it's H. S-H-E. Now what will come next? Yes, it's L. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. Now next picture. This picture is of shirt. The spelling of shirt is S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. S is already here. Now which letter will come next? Yes, it's H. I is there. Now what comes after I? Yes, it's R. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Which picture is this? This is the picture of shoe. And the spelling of shoe is S-H-O-E. Shoe. So, which letter is missing? First of all, S is missing. So, first we will place S here. Now, S-H-O. One more letter is missing. Which letter is that? Yes, it's O. Now, S-H-O-E. Shoe. Hope you liked today's session. Keep practicing SH words. See you soon. Bye-bye.